guys, welcome to Real Crew Fishing. Today's video, we're back out here at the Surfside Jetty in Freeport, Texas. We're out here hunting jacks, bullheads, anything big that bites. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Hit that like button, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow all the socials at Real Crew Fishing. And enjoy today's video. God bless y'all and enjoy. Let it sing. Oh. Right place at the right time. Got one. Holy shit, holy shit. Slow. You're good. You gotta go over and hit this guy. Come on, Lord. Bless me with one. Please. Huh?
He got back first cast.
Three jacks. Landed.
I'll find my back one.
That's why I'm subscribed to you, bro.
Goddamn, bro.
Come on, baby. Fish on, boys, fish on. Under. Appreciate it. Try not to eat. Come on, baby.
And when we're fishing out here, you gotta have a lot of
Over, under.
This is over. Put some drink. Mom, let's go. Do something. He's turning. Yeah, there you go.
There, he's coming.
You ain't keeping them, huh?
Nah. You want him?
Yeah, I'll take
20 bucks? Hey, we gotta line them all up at the shoot.
Put some cheese on it. It's just a football.
What? Feels heavy.
The football.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
That's an extra large football. Come over here.
Let's go, baby.
That's your first one?
Appreciate it, boss.
No, no problem. Huh?
Hell yeah, appreciate it, Brendan.
Oh, no, it's dead. You're ready. Drag on him. Put him up to the left, bro.
Como dice Javi, ande bien. It's going to the rocks.
It's fine, it's fine. Just keep going, keep going. You're not on the rocks. You ain't in there yet. You got it. You're over, Brandon. Huh? You're over, you're over.
Woo!
Wait. Don't pull. Alright, you're good. Try to pull it this way. Fine. Stand in the rock. Oh, you gotta.
Oh!
I can't tag that. Unless you want to tag it.
No, I don't got to tag.
I don't know how you're going to get it. I can try to lift gap it.
Hey, let me get your board.
Go get it.
You can climb down there and get it.
There you go.
I can lift gap it.
Yeah, that's fine.
I can't walk on that. I can walk on this.
Damn, boy.
It's a nice bull red.
Yes,
fool.
I'm about
sir.
to put that on BN now. Shit.
Hell yeah. I didn't think I was going to catch anything on this swim bait, bro.
Damn, that's badass, bro.
On that dirty Sprite, baby. Nice 35-inch. Well guys, that is it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. It was a struggle, but we thugged it out and we ended up hooking onto a jack and a bull red. So I'd say that's a W trip, man. We didn't leave empty-handed, so all glory to God, we ended up catching 2 fish. But the bite started slow and we took a break. Then in the afternoon, that bite was hot, man. As y'all seen in the footage, everyone was hooked up back to back. And we had to thug it out. It took us a little bit, but we ended up hooking on as well, landing the jack and then landing a bull red. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. God bless y'all. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for the next video.